Good morning students, I am Vijay Sharma and welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Okay, our today's topic is sounds in English. We will study about all the symbols to pronunciate each and any word in English. As this topic comes in phonetics, so first of all I would like to explain you what is phonetics. So phonetics is a branch of linguistics. Linguistics means study of language. Phonetics is a branch of linguistics that focuses on the producing and classification of the world's speech sound. If we say in simple words, what is phonetics? Phonetics is the study and classification of speech sounds. So, as you know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet, but there are 46 sounds in English. So we can say that one alphabet A, B, C, D has more than one sound, and these sounds are classified in vowel sounds and in consonant sound. Okay, let's start. Our voice or our sounds are audible and are in the classification of vowel sounds and consonant sounds. First of all, I am taking vowel sounds. These are called vowel sounds. And how to pronunciate these symbols, we will learn this thing. Each sound is placed between slashes. This is called slash. This is a sign of slash. First symbol of sound I and double point, just like colon. It sounds like beat. Here is the pronunciation. If we pronunciate this word, we don't pronunciate it just like beat, but it is beat. You have to stress your E sound long. Next one, this is happy. You have to finish suddenly. Happy. And underline alphabet represents this sound I. Happy. Next one is I. This is also short sound. Sit. And underlined alphabet represents this sound. Okay. E. E represent the sound of A. Any. And this sound, it is just like X. This word would be pronounced sat, not set, but sat. Ask is pronounced ask, not asked, ask. And this is not was. This is all. This is U sound, small U. Put. This is also small sound of small U. Actual. This is the sound of long U. Crew, not crew, crew. This is cup. This sound is cup, not cup. This sound is, we pronunciate earth, not earth, but earth. This is the symbol of a. Again, this is a with e and I, a e. Take, not take, but take. This is ow, not old, but we pronunciate it old. Just like not no, no, we pronunciate no, now. Either. This is the sound of either. Oil, and for ow there are symbol a and u, owl. Ear, zero, not zero, zero. Air, not air, air. Tooth. Okay, these were vowel sounds. Now we will take the consonant sounds. P between slashes. P between slashes. We will pronunciate it pen. The pronunciation of alphabet P is here. We pronunciate it P. Pen. This is B, beat. This is T, take. This is D, day. This is K, key. This is G, go. This is Ch. This is the symbol of Ch. Chain. This is the symbol of Z. D and small z. Gel. This is the symbol of M. Man. This is the symbol of N. Nail. This is the symbol of Ng. Coming. Ring. Not ring, but we pronunciate it ring. This sign of L, light. This is the symbol of F, fan. This is the symbol of V, view. This is the symbol of Th, thin. This is the symbol of the, them. This is the symbol of S, sit. This is the symbol of Z, Ju. This is the symbol of Shashakar. In Hindi, if we say Shashakar, the sound of sh, sugar, not sugar, sugar. There is a sound of z, having point, dot below z, and it pronunciates z, measure. This sound of b, bat. This sound of r, run. This also sound of v, win, and this is the symbol of J, is pronunciated y, yes. So that's all. I hope you will understand all the sounds of in English, and we will come back soon taking our new video. Till then, bye. Jai Shri Ram.